My mom's phone wasn't off.
Okay, start again.
This is a nature cake. So now we have some grass. We need a foot. Like this one, we need to put sticks around it. Let me go get some. And here we got some sticks. And then we put that on, this on. And then we just need a few more. Like one more for the nature cake. And then you put on some more like grass. And then you take a cup of dirt. You sprinkle it on. And we need to get some leaves. And put tiny pieces on. And then leaves. Like over here. Now we can go get our nature. So, what we have today is some leaves. Let's just go sprinkle some on. And this is my rolling pin. And sometimes I flattened it out. Chloe, you're in the video.
That's okay.
And we would just put a little bit wood chips on. Go over and see how much wood chips there are. You can take any wood chip, but they just have to be small. And I just get whatever wood chips that are small. You don't have to get a kind of wood chip. All that you do is put them on, and then sprinkle a little bit dirt on it. And that dirt is chocolate. And then we would just flat it down a little bit. And break up these things. And put them on. And do you see, that's how you make a nature.
So that's how you make a
Nature cake?
nature
And
cake.
that's
And
kind of different how you make this, because this is a pie. Like it's a pie and this is cake. So pies are a lot more smaller. So if you want to make a pie or a cake, that's what you have to do. I was just showing you how to make a pie, so that's it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna pretend I ate it.
hello, I'm the taste tester, and I'll be trying some of this. I'll use my hands, but it's okay. Okay.
Since we don't have any spoons,
Yeah.
you have to use.
So what is this big one over here?
Oh, that is a cake, and then you can try the pie. Here.
Oh, can you go get me?
Oh yes, switch it. And
So I'm gonna kind of cut the cake.
she's gonna cut the cake. And
Here.
your first bite is this.
This is really good. I'm not sure if the pie can be this one, but it might. So, let's carry on and do this. That's really, really good. And you
Well, the pie one is the best to her. And,
Yeah, and is that what you think?
oh yeah, it's best for me.
Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, I like the pie a lot better because of the leaf stems and not so much clovers and grass and dirt. So that's all the